What's going on YouTube, Collector Net? Just doing a different video for today. I just left work early, heading to the Dekalb County Courthouse. November of 2008, I was pulled over for not yielding to the pedestrian. I pulled out into the intersection after my light had changed green, and I waved to the lady who was pushing a stroller to go ahead through across the street. After she had gotten onto the other point of the road, or the crosswalk, where I couldn't hit her without hitting oncoming traffic, again, I let her get to that point. I turned, and not long after that, a cop came from the same street I had turned from, and pretty much gave me a ticket. So now I'm heading to the courthouse to fight it. A couple $100 if I lose this case. I've been driving for over 12 years, 13 years, not one moving violation, and this would be my first. But anyway, I had a court date last February to put in my plea. Of course, I pled not guilty, so now I'm on my way to the courthouse to defend that not guilty. So I will film a video when I get there to add on to this, and I'll let you know how it goes after I leave the courthouse. So I'll get back with you. Alright YouTube, about to cross over the street, see if I can get a parking space. The courthouse stayed busy. It just stayed busy, packed. Last time I went in the courthouse, it was horrible. You couldn't even find a parking space. I had to park across the street. It took about half an hour to even find a space. There's the courthouse over there. So again, I'm hoping, I'm praying, had my wife to pray for me. So I'm hoping everything will work out. So we shall see. Heart is racing, and hopefully justice will prevail for me. Alright, I'll film once I get out the courthouse. Alright. Well, there's always hope, but sometimes hope don't come through. Pretty much the judge took the word of the officer, and I just came from the bank, had to withdraw. They don't take credit card or anything, so I had to pay $300, and for nothing. You don't violate the law, and you get a fine, and you have to pay that fine or go to jail. So anyway, I'll just pay it. I broke laws before, never got caught, and this time I didn't break the law, and it is what it is. So that's it for now. I'll catch you guys on another video. Alright, final remarks, and this will be it about the court thing. I made it home after 45 minutes of driving, and final closing remarks. I think it's pretty sad that, of course, the justice system is supposed to work for you. And granted, I know I had the opportunity to have a court-appointed attorney, which, of course, when it's your first time, you really don't know the process. You really don't know what to do. You don't know. In the 12 years I have been driving, again, never had a ticket, so I don't really know how to handle that. While I was in line paying my fine, I was told something about a plead nolo, which is, I have no idea. And but I think it just said that you can go to court, raise your hand, tell the truth. Officer can, I'm not going to say he lied, but I had to correct him a number of times, or at least tell the judge, no, he was not sitting there. He was driving this street, on this road, and he was not on that road. No, I did not drive in front of her, or cross over the crosswalk in front of her. you know, I let her pass and I drove behind her. There's a few things that I had to, you know, tell, but the judge, it didn't matter. It didn't matter. But I think that's sad that you can go to court, tell the truth, and still end up with a ticket or at least points on your driving record, and also having to pay a fine. I just think it's pretty sad. So that's just it. So just be careful when you're driving. These cops can get away, and some cops. I mean, I'm not saying cops are bad, but cops can go to court, and the court will take their word over yours. You're nobody, pretty much. At least that's my first time experiencing it. And you know, you hear people all the time say, "Oh, I'm innocent, and I didn't do this and I didn't do that." And sometimes you sit there, I feel guilty. But I fell victim to it, and so now I truly believe that there are a lot of innocent people out there who get sentenced, whether it's just be a fine, like my situation, or go to jail. It happens. So that's it for now. Hopefully I won't have to make another video like this ever.